Tinubu calls for unity among African militaries to address continent's security challenges. Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has urged African military leaders to put aside differences and strengthen cooperation in the face of escalating security challenges across the continent. The call, made at a recent African Union summit, emphasizes the need for a united front in addressing the growing threat of terrorism, insurgency, and other forms of violent extremism in many African nations. Tinubu's comments come at a time when several African countries are grappling with internal conflicts and regional instability, and his statement underscores the importance of collective action to tackle these crises. The security situation across Africa has been worsening in recent years, with insurgent groups, militant organizations, and armed rebels. Countries like Nigeria, Mali, Somalia, and Burkina Faso have seen a sharp rise in violence and extremism. In response to these challenges, President Tinubu has emphasized the need for African nations to come together, especially their military forces, to develop more coordinated and effective responses to these threats.